works today. We're gonna make a pen board. We're gonna all gather our supplies. First, we're gonna print our template. So now we're gonna cut it out. Ta-da! And now let's use this to trace. Let the games begin! Cut the Mickey out. Now we're gonna paint. Oh, that dry, spray the cork board. Now they're both dried. Ta-da! Now it's spin time! We are putting the pins on this. Decorate it how you like. Arrange them so they're close together. Once you fill the pin set, put it in the shadow box. Now we're finished. Look at all of our pins. Da-na-na-na-na. Da-na-na-na-na. One more.